channel. I know it's been a minute since we last uploaded a video. I've been working and really haven't had time to record, but we're gonna throw in some clips that my brother recorded. He is currently camming his car while it's done now. You're gonna see some before clips and the present, which is today. We're gonna go and pick it up now from the shop. It's ready. I don't got AC in the truck, so it might look all red. That's why. How are you feeling?
Feeling excited. Let's do this. What's going on, guys? It's Eric here. You guys might have seen me in the background on some of the videos. I am Edgar's brother. Just here with an update on my 2002 C5 Corvette. So I finally finished gathering all the parts that I needed in order to install a cam kit on it, as well as lifters and all the supporting mods. So I did decide to go with Solid-Tech Performance on the build for my car. I've heard really good things about them. They have really good reviews, and I went in and talked to the owner, and he was cool about everything. He educated me on some things that I didn't know, and luckily the time has come. What I have done to it performance wise is long tube header, catless mid pipe, and a Billy Bolt axle back. The long tube headers and the mid pipe are from Texas Speed Performance, which is the company that I decided to go with for my cam kit. It also has a cold air intake. It's a Veram, so it runs to these ducts in the front. And I mean, ignore that for now. I still need to cut it out. I just got the bumper repainted. It's a little windy, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have. I already have the car loaded up with the parts ready to go. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you guys, but I did put them in before work and they went all over the place. So I'll briefly show you guys what I have. A lot of you guys might recognize the parts, so you need to go into detail. But I pretty much got all the parts you need. I got the lifters, which is the main reason why I'm doing this cam swap. I just wanted to go ahead and sand it.
Pull it now. Check out this looks like a W6 with some slicks or drag wheels, can't really tell.
A whole 2 weeks without it.
Is that what it was? 2 weeks?
Yeah, a little bit over 2 weeks. She's right there.
Alright guys, so we just got here now. We're about to head inside. I've never been here. My brother's the one that's been coming every now and then to check up on the car. What's the shop called?
It's called Solid-Tech Performance here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. They're a pretty well-known shop, and that's why I decided to bring it here. We'll have to see how it turned out.
Check it out. Damn it, boy. Check out this beast up here. It's a C6 Corvette. I'm not too sure. It looks like a Z06. Kind of blind, so I can't really tell, but not too sure what they're doing to this one, but I'm pretty sure it's packing some power as well. Got the parachute, the slicks, the Hoosiers, Nova down here. Damn. Just got done paying and stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and start it up now. Alright guys, Solid-Tech, check them out. Here's that Trans Am that we were behind when we were pulling in.
I'm nervous, I'm excited.
It costs money, but when you do it right, you don't have to do it twice. So there she is, looking good.
Alright, let's do this. Here's the first startup, the new setup.
it or what? Worth the
Oh,
wait?
yeah.
Yeah.
That was definitely worth it, yo. Super happy with it. Check out that rumble. What do you think?
I think outer exhaust, just so it screams, but it sounds good.
Oh yeah.
It's exciting to see this. It's not my car, but he's worked hard to get to this point and have it where it's at now. It's nowhere near done, but it's a good beginning. There's that headliner we did, if you guys remember.
You know, we got that red top here. But that's not gonna like this.
It's not even that loud.
It'd be louder, huh?
Yeah. Check out those red accents. This thing's coming along real nice. He also added this sensor on the steering wheel. You guys could tell how big of a cam it is. You can see that shifter moving. Huh? Go for a drive? Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it. That's what I was showing him. You can see the whole front bumper shake while the whole car shakes. You can see it on the bumper.
Sounds sick.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go on the first test drive, get a little feel for it first, and then we'll do a pull or two so you guys can check it out. So far?
So far, so good.
Yeah, we're gonna get on the highway now and do a couple pulls for you guys, see how it runs, and everything checks out okay, we'll head home. What I'm talking about.
All right, I'm gonna let Edgar drive it just so I could get a feel of what it's like in the passenger seat. See how this goes. Oh shit. Alright, that feels way different. GTR.
Pushes you back in your seat pretty good.
Yeah, it does. I didn't really feel it when I was driving it. Yeah. I'm in control, but there they are. Second gear pull. Feels crazy, especially in the passenger seat. I mean,
Feels a lot scarier in the passenger seat.
yeah. And I want to point out that I'm not trying to be the fastest guy out here. I'm just trying to have fun with my car, build it to my own liking. But
yeah, we're not trying to throw this in anyone's face or however you guys want to take it.
you know, we just
Out here having fun. Feels badass, guys. It's a good investment. I think you can say all the hard work and money saved for it paid off.
drop a comment what you think. Drop a like. This ain't the end, so drop some ideas down below.
Algo leve. Algo light.
Algo light. Alright.
Tacuache approved. So we're gonna head home now. I haven't even got home. I just came from work to straight to this. So we'll see if we can get some rolling shots or something of the car, and that'll probably end off the video.
Oh, you're driving.
I was driving it, man.
I let him drive. That's the man.
That's the man himself. Car feels good. So that's it. Feel good? Feel good? Guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though it was a little bit everywhere. So hopefully all you guys are staying safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that share button. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.